Hi, I'm Gene with KT Industries. Today we're going to be looking at our Gold Select line of welding equipment, and in our first session we'll be looking at the ST100. This machine has a capacity of running up to 80 amps, runs off 120 volts, and it is a 30% duty cycle, and it's just a perfect welder for that beginning user. Now let's take a look at the components inside the box. Once you have all the components out of the box, you will find enclosed a user's manual for your reference. You will find this adapter plug to plug right into the wall outlet. And then you will have the ground clamp, which goes into the negative lead. And also enclosed is the electrode holder. It's lightweight for easy use, which will plug into the positive lead. Give a nice twist and you're good to go. Then, as you are beginning ready for operation, you have your power switches simply in the back, and then you have a selector switch whether you're going to choose to use TIG welding or stick welding, and your adjustment for your amperage depending on the thickness of the metal. I might add this welder will go up to a 1/4 inch metal, but this is your gauge on the amperage you would like to use depending on the thickness of your metal. Those are a few of the simple instructions on getting set up with your Gold Select welder. Now let's take a look at this welder in action. Now that the ST100 is unpacked and out of the box, let's begin the welding process. First thing is you should always remember to have proper safety equipment, which is safety goggles, helmet. I have an actual auto dimmer on, and then some appropriate welding gloves. As we begin hooking the components up, we would make sure that the electrode holder goes into the positive lead. The ground clamp then should come into the negative. And secure your ground clamp to the metal that's to be welded. Then we come and choose the power source in the back and choose the amperage that would be appropriate for the welding at hand. Once all of those things are secured and you have a good ground source, you should be ready to weld. The ST100.